Hey everybody, welcome back to Jimmy's Promo, and today we'll be taking a look at the wireless charger trio from Samsung. We'll be playing with this, testing it, and also doing quick comparisons versus the wireless charger duo. So then this way you can know the differences if you already own this one and if it's worth you going off and purchasing the trio. So on the side of the box over here, it mentions the 9-watt fast wireless charging, 3-in-1. So even though there's 6 coils that you can line your phone and watch and earbuds up with, you can charge 3 devices at once and an LED dimming mode. Now on the back of the device, really just talking about that 3-in-1 wireless support, up to 3 devices simultaneously, convenient and easy placement with 6 coils, compatible with Galaxy Watch. You have 9-watt fast charging. Now if you do have an iPhone, it'll only be able to go up to that 7.5 watt for the iPhone devices. And then that's pretty much it here for the box. So let's open this up, take a look, and we'll see the differences between the duo. And one thing also too, I had a question about this earlier. The watch area over here does have a small magnet, so aligning a watch is really easy and simple. Now when it comes down to all of the wireless charging standards, make sure you use the brick and the cable that comes inside the box. This one here is a USB Type-C over into USB Type-C. Now before we plug this in, there's a few things to note. All those little dots that you see there, those 6 different reflective dots, it's just letting you know that that's the center of all 6 coils that's on this one pad. So this way you can really place it kind of anywhere on this pad, and then they'll be able to charge. This one over here is for your watch. So specifically on the right-hand side with that circular area, this is where you want to plug in your watch. You will also get these little notification lights letting you know if it's being charged, if it's not being charged, and it's a light for all 3 of them. Now the other thing I do notice on the back, so back here is where you have your USB Type-C port, but I do not see a fan. That is the only thing that this one is missing versus a lot of the other ones. So this one has a fan to make sure everything is cooled down. So we'll kind of see, what that does, what the effect is. We'll see if it kind of gets a little warm, and also too, just how loud this thing is. Hopefully it's super quiet, but how about we plug it in and let's give it a test. So taking a look at the size comparison, this is what we have. You're able to place your phone really anywhere on this entire pad. It will able to pick it up with all of those 6 different coils. Again, this is only for the watch. Your watch will not be able to charge over on this side. Also too, when you place in your buds or anything like that, you want to make sure your buds and cell phone is over here. Oh, and if you guys are brand new here at the channel of Jimmy is Promo and you appreciate these videos, these tips, tricks, tutorials, and also reviews on Samsung accessories, be sure to hit on that subscribe button, as well as the bell for notifications to get notified for all future videos. When it comes down to the duo pad, you're able to charge your watch and then a cell phone, or 2 different cell phones, but again, you were not able to put your watch over on this side. So I'm just gonna move this one out of the way, and let's just go through and let's actually charge this up. Now, another thing I also do want to mention is that when it comes down to this older version, the Duo pad, this one right here was able to have a max charge out of 7.5 watts. So this one, that's really why they kind of harped on 9 watts. This one's able to push out 9 watts. So you can place like a phone right here, and then you can place another phone right here, and then you're able to see all 3 dots are lighting up. You have this phone, and then this watch. Then anytime you take any of these off, one of those LEDs will also go away. Maybe you want to charge in your Galaxy Buds, so now your buds are charging. And then maybe you don't need to charge this phone, but then you have another bud that you wanted to charge, and then maybe you just want to lay it way over here. Again, you have all 3 lights going on. And then when you take away your watch and then you try to charge another device, more than likely this probably won't work. This is really only made for your watch. So really, this is good for your entire ecosystem. So again, if I was to place this here, talking about ecosystems, and it is a small magnet right there, which is actually really nice. I'm trying to push the watch, and you can see that it stays put pretty well. So again, talking about the ecosystem, you have your cell phone, you have your earbuds, and you also have your watch all on one pad. Apple was not able to do this. They tried to say that they wanted to do it, but you know how Apple is. That thing's never going to come out for a few years, if at ever. So here we are trying to get 3 phones to go at the same time. And this is actually something new that's brand new for Android 11, a line phone to charge wirelessly. So that's one of those really cool, brand new little notifications letting us know that it's close to a charge. It's wanting to give a charge, but it's not able to actually take it and pick it up. So I don't believe that we're able to go with 3 phones charging. But we are able to go definitely with 2 phones. And that was one thing that I wanted to test out and check. It looks like I cannot get it at all on this little watch area, which is still perfectly fine. I mean, honestly, all you'd really have to do is just get, you know, 2 cell phones charging, and then you're gonna go over and then charge your watch. Again, it is magnetic. They did a really good job with the price on this one as well. I was expecting it to actually be about $20 more, but they were able to keep this thing under $100. They did a really good job with that one. So if you guys are interested in this pad, I'll place a link below the video inside the description. You guys can pick this thing up, and again, at a really good price, and you can just charge not only multiple phones at the same time, all of your family members, but really you're going through and you're charging your ecosystem, your phone, buds, as well as the watch. Again, the watch will not be able to charge on this flat pad over here. This one's really made for the buds and phones. This one is specifically only to watches, which we just got done testing. When it came down to this one here with the Duo, you were able to still charge 2 phones at the same time, but again, you're missing that third little area. So when it kind of comes down to when this thing came out versus when this thing came out and which one is better and which one I'd still suggest, you know, the Trio comes out as the winner. Even though this one has a fan, I'm actually trying to listen right now and I hear nothing coming from these devices here. Now, even if I was to put on another phone, so if I have 2 phones and a watch, I hear absolutely nothing from these. Sometimes when you had a wireless charger with a fan, it was kind of loud, but you are actually able to turn that off inside of your settings. And I've shown a video on that in the past. But again, today, this is the review, this is the look, this is the test. I'm a huge fan. You have magnetic right here for your watch. You can charge 2 phones at the same time. You can also charge 2 earbuds at the same time. You can charge a phone and an earbud. I mean, you can really just kind of do anything and everything. And then just for fun, I'm gonna go through, try to see if I can do 3 different buds. Don't think that's gonna happen. You know what? This one's actually kind of moving like it's trying to actually stay with a magnet. What was that about? What is happening here? Every time I put my buds down, I have no idea what this is about, but it looks like they're trying to fight, trying to get a charge going on. This is kind of crazy. So let's check this out. If I angle this like this and I'm trying to charge, ooh, only 2 devices over here, 1 device on this side. They did a really good job. There's absolutely 0 noise. There is no fan. There is nothing going on. You want something to be super silent. You want to charge 2 devices and a watch at the same time. Or if you wanted to charge your entire ecosystem, your buds, phone, and watch. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit and subscribe. Subscribe right over here in the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.